Brilliance Audio presents Creating Competitive Advantage: How to Be Strategically Ahead in Changing Markets by Kevin Uphill. Performed by Matthew Lloyd Davis. In our highly technical and global society, business markets and sectors are becoming increasingly complex and dynamic. The fast pace of change has brought new challenges for business leaders and strategists, increasing the need for faster reinvention, better ideas, anticipation, and agility. How do we strategically lead and anticipate market direction ahead of others? How do we consistently secure the right ideas, strategies, products, and services at the right time to gain competitive advantage? What strategies, tools, and outlooks are required to understand what our customers and end users are thinking about and what they might want, as opposed to what we want to sell to them? How do we match business design, products, and services with future needs more effectively in order to stride ahead with advantage? In a knowledge economy, what ideas are going to be most valued going forwards? How do leaders get a clear view of the line of probability in market direction and customer trends ahead of the competition? And what tools, data, and techniques can you employ to assist the process? How can leaders and strategists secure the time and mindfulness within their roles to anticipate events more effectively? How can strategy stay ahead in fast-changing environments? This book aims to answer these questions, setting out skills and techniques supported by case studies and tools. The steps needed to create competitive advantage are listed first. The rest of the chapter then introduces each step. Thereafter, each step has its own dedicated chapter. The process of creating competitive advantage includes the following steps. 1. Starting with no standout position. Your organization can then 2. Move to leadership from management and create time for strategy. Next, you'll 3. Map the line of probability in yours and parallel sectors. Then 4. Observe data, intelligence, and research in order to 5. Create ideas and scenarios that will 6. Be decisive and change the game. You'll 7. Lead an adaptive organization. 8. Design business around a concept. And 9. Implement your advantage to finally achieve 10. Higher value and values, and therefore a competitive advantage. When an organization develops valued traits, that is, products, skills, services, or a combination of these that are desired and different, it will have an advantage over its competitors and usually outperform them. The best foundation for this position is to develop a better and clearer understanding and identification of your customers and end users, and what they want now or are likely to want or value in the future. Today, your customers want faster and better products, support, and services, and they want them delivered on their terms. Repeated studies show that in most cases, being first with new products, services, and strategies provides market share advantage. And once this position is achieved, it is typically sustainable. Numerous cases demonstrate this. From Ford's batch production first introduced in 1908 with the release of the Model T automobile, Dyson's launch of the first bagless vacuum cleaner in the United Kingdom in 1993, to Apple's launch of the Macintosh, the first mass-market PC with a graphical user interface and mouse, in 1984. The advantages of being first mover and standing in front of the competition are, from experience, compelling. So how do some people and companies seemingly achieve this status successfully time and time again? Essentially, some people are intuitively aware of what is coming, accessing and combining experience, research, trial, and knowledge.